Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family. In today's video, we are cooking some turmeric rice, the best turmeric rice you are ever going to have. It's that good. So let's get started. We need some shallots, which I have already sliced, or any onion. We need some turmeric powder. We also need some rice. I'm using Jasmine rice, but basmati will do as well. And I will list everything I'm going to be using in the description box below. I have heated about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil and I'm adding my sliced shallots. I'm going to fry this until they are very soft and tender for about maybe a minute or two. I then add my turmeric powder and fry that together with the onion for about a minute as well. When you do it this way, it intensifies the flavor and the color. I then add my washed rice. You can also choose not to wash your rice, it is entirely up to you. I add my rice and I'm going to toast my rice for about 5 minutes. I just keep on stirring without any moisture at all until the rice takes up all the turmeric. When that happens, the rice will become very yellow in color and you're still going to stir it until it becomes very dry. I then add a little bit of black and white pepper and some salt to taste. And I'm going to continue to toast the rice for about a minute more. My rice is beautifully toasted, so this would be the perfect time to add my water. Now, how much water you would need will depend on the type of rice you are using. However, I will list down below my ratios I used. Usually, a cup of rice to a cup of water works perfectly, but once again, every rice works differently. Taste and adjust your seasoning. Cover and allow it to cook on medium-low heat. 15 minutes into the cooking time, I'm going to check on my rice and give it a stir. It is almost done, but we are not there yet. So I give it a stir, cover and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes more or until done. At this stage, our rice is beautifully cooked. It is ready. But before we serve, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of butter. You want to use a very good quality butter here because butter is going to add some extra flavor to the rice. Now stir in the butter until it is completely melted and your rice will be looking very sochi and shiny, and the taste is amazing. Trust me on that. So as soon as the butter is melted, our delicious turmeric rice is ready to be served. I told you it's a very simple and easy one, very straightforward. You can serve this with any stew of your choice or vegetables, but I served mine with some gizzard sauce and I'm going to share the recipe for the gizzard sauce with you very shortly. And when I do, I'm going to link it down below. I garnished mine with some parsley just for a touch of color, and my family couldn't wait to dig in. It was really that good. I know your family is going to love this dish as well. We really eat a lot of rice in my house, so I am always looking for ways and means to jazz up things with different kinds of recipes. So I hope this serves as an inspiration for you as well to switch up things for your family. And I know they are going to love and appreciate you for this. And if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to the Amazing family. So until I come your way next time with something yummylicious, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.